Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it is time to get cooking today, guys. And what I'm making is a wonderful rice dish called cilantro lime rice. This one is so good. It is easy to make, full of flavor. It's the perfect side dish. So let me show you just how to make it. So you will need some cilantro and a couple limes, 1.5 cups of white rice, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, a couple garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 1/4 cups of water, and then some salt. The first thing that you want to do is rinse your rice. You just want to rinse it really good. This will take a couple minutes. This removes all the excess starch and it keeps your rice from being gummy. So you just want to rinse it until the water runs clear. So I'm using my oval shaped Dutch oven that is enamel coated, but you can use whatever pot you want. But I'm going to add my olive oil and my chopped onion. I'm just going to let the onions cook for a couple minutes till they become tender. I'm going to go ahead and mince my garlic. Using my handy dandy garlic press. All right, and then I'm going to take my rice and I'm going to place in my skillet here, and I'm going to let this kind of toast up a little bit in with the oil, onions, and garlic. I'm starting to smell the rice. It's beginning to have a slight toasted smell to it. So I think it's good enough. It's toasted good enough. So now I'm going to add my water. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stirring it around. And then I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 15 minutes. So while my rice is cooking, I'm going to chop up my cilantro. And this uses a good amount of cilantro, but really, it's completely up to you, however much you want to use. So my timer just went off. I'm going to turn off the heat and then I'm going to let it sit here with the lid on for another 10 minutes, and this will just make the rice nice and light and fluffy. Now I'm going to add the cilantro and the juice of the lime. All right, guys, well, as you can see, this rice is super easy to make. It's so delicious. I hope that you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.